It's about projects and about people who have projects that they're working on, ideas for projects, and want to, in a sense, realize that idea, and then, very importantly, share it with others.
Project Board is an online platform for makers and tinkerers and doers to come online and document and share the project that they're working on.
What I see in Project Board is the idea of a platform for sharing projects, not just when they're done, but when they're first conceived of.
They have all of these incredible projects that makers are making and showcasing at maker fairs or producing in the maker spaces. But where do they go beyond that space?
At Maker Faire, we see the outcome of your project, and then people come up and ask you questions, and that's how you reveal your process.
We have Project Board over here, and it's a place for where you can put your projects and share them and keep them going long after a Maker Faire is done. And so that allows projects to live and actually spread beyond just that local fair or space.
When you share those with other people and they connect to you and your ideas and share their own, that's how you create the culture of making.
Whether it's a cool toy that they came up with, all the way up to here's an invention that I think can help people.
We could actually talk about people engaging in the practices of making and engineering and getting real work done that helps a lot of people. What could we gain if we are able to tap into the potential of so many people collectively to solve increasingly larger problems?
When people do share their ideas and their projects, we don't even know how incredibly impactful that could be in the world.
And that's really what I want to spark in people and inspire them to see that's possible.